Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys. Today we're on the Carnival Dream. Look, there goes an elevator. We are in the lobby, Atrium, whatever you want to call it. It's about 10 stories high. Over there is guest services. We're on deck 3, by the way, deck 3 forward. We could go more forward. There's a lot of seating down here. And as you'll see in a minute, there's seating up there too. Here's Adventures, Carnival Adventures, which is shore excursions. And they're not open yet. This, of course, is the theater. Hi! So this is called Encore, and I'm down at the ground level, which is deck 3. You can also enter on deck 4 and deck 5. That's the stage, of course. Got couches for seats, couches up there with dividers like every 2 people. I came up the spiral stairs and I walked over to here where I am. We're on deck 4 now, and this is the Pixels photo gallery here. See, they keep it hidden. Here is the Page Turner Library. Guests only. More computers. Cutting across, there's a place called Rendezvous, and it's just a little lounge. Is the Crimson Restaurant. Crimson Restaurant. There's another restaurant, 2-story restaurant, just like this. Came from the Pixels photo gallery, went through the Page Turner Library. This is the Crimson Restaurant. Got a long way to go here before we reach anything else. We walked all the way from down there, and if I go a little further, I'm in the no smoking casino that they've recently added. So, it's got a few tables, a few machines. Let's continue on. On the left, we walked a little further aft, and we have Circle C, Kids Club. And it's closed right now. And they're playing that music pretty loud here, even though nobody's here. And Club 02, that's for your teenagers. So this is the Scarlet Restaurant. And they're having C-Day brunch here right now. We came out of the upper level of the Scarlet Restaurant. And we're going over to Port, left side. And this says it's the warehouse. And apparently the warehouse is an arcade. Decks 6 through 9 are entirely and completely just staterooms. So the 4 decks above where we are right now are staterooms, so we're not going to deal with them in the theater. So this is what it looks like up here, and this is what it looks like from up here. And here's where you could go outside. We're on the starboard side. The front of the ship is right there. We're going to go out here for just a moment. The whole cruise so far has said this, that I can't go out to the front of the ship. Up there. Here's an outside view of the ship. Balcony cabins all the way up. So deck 5 is where you have your shops. Front Street Jewelry. There's more shops over there. Port side is on the port side. There's of course the lobby down below. Of course this is the ceiling, and then that's the ones that go all the way up. Watches, Hip Fish, beauty and fragrances. Cherry on top is a candy store. The Carnival shop is souvenirs. Let's go aft. And we're going to enter the casino. And this is the original casino, the big casino. This is an area of a lot of things, right? A lot of things. This is the real internet cafe, Fun Hub. There's the Alchemy bar over there. This is the coffee bar. Everything here costs money, right? The Alchemy bar. And it goes back around here a ways. And also goes out to Lanai. They call this area the Ocean Plaza, and I think it includes outside. There's hot tubs on both sides of the ship. Keep heading aft to the back of the ship. This is bonsai sushi. And appetizers, $4 each. Rolls, $5. It's called the Collection. I think this is your art place. So if you're into that, this is Caliente. So this is a club, right? Dance. But they've moved all the chairs onto the dance floor. There are tables behind all those pictures. This is the shopping desk. And these are the shopping brochures. So now we're at the aft elevator lobby stair tower. Another entrance to Caliente. And this is Sam's Piano Bar. I'm going to cut out through here. Elevators are right here. This is the Burgundy Lounge. So this, late at night, is the comedy club. We are at the very back of the ship now, though. Okay, so we've gone all the way on deck 5. I will show you the song. Another bar, another stage. We're going to go outside on deck 5. I call it the Lanai. So we can go around to the back of the ship and go up the other side. So now we're at the very back of the ship. And there's some people back here. And so on the first day, on embarkation, we came up here and got a plate of food. But boy, did it taste good. Man, was it good. Well, next we're going to cut all the way up to deck 10. Came around through the elevator lobby. These are the glass elevators right here. This is the lobby down there. This is the waves pool. Lots of deck chairs. We're on deck 10. Deck 11 has chairs. Deck 12 has chairs all the way around. This is the Red Frog Rum Bar. We're going to go all the way down and then back up the other side. So this is Guy's Burger Joint. The condiments would be here. The burgers would be there. Now we're entering The Gathering, which is the name of the buffet here. Right in here, more tables and chairs. This is the Seafood Shack, and it's not open in the morning. Pool, 2 hot tubs, pizza. Pizza's supposed to be 24 hours a day. I'm not sure if it is in this day and age. I'm going to go up these stairs to Pasta Bella. It's not open today, but a lot of people don't even know it's here. But you can order pasta with any sauce and any kind of add-ons. So we're heading back out to the pool area. And this is the Blue Iguana Cantina. And in the morning they make breakfast burritos. Anyway, Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. So Red Frog Rum Bar across the way. Blue Iguana Tequila Bar over here. There's the pool. So we have a pool in front and a pool here. Deck 11, which I'm on, deck 12. We're going to go inside here. Deck 11. We're heading aft now. And that brings us to Camp Ocean. So another kids area. Ages 6 to 8 and ages 9 to 11. And ages 2 to 5. Let's go up these stairs. This is just going to take us outside. Let us up to the mini golf again. So the back of the ship is there. Front of the ship is there. We're now on deck 12. That would be deck 14. And the drain pipe, one of the slides. Racers. A 2-person slide. Sort of the kids area. And there's another slide here. Still on deck 12. And this is the mini golf. But we're all the way at the back of the ship on deck 12. There's deck 11, smoking. There's the sunset pool and the sunset bar. chef's art. Chef's art. So we came up the stairs. This is deck 14. Carnival doesn't use 13. Some cruise lines do, some don't. And this is a basketball court. And I suppose you could play other games in there. So they have lounge chairs here. This is the entrance to some of the slides. This takes you up to 15. Come on deck 15. First they have a door across this, but you go up these stairs and you get on those two slides. Oh, twister and drain pipe. Well, I see, that's what it is. One slide is one and one slide is the other. This is Serenity, adults only, 21 and over. Not that it's naked or topless, but no kids allowed. So they got a hot tub, lots of seating. Here is the spa. That's a stairway that leads up to it. Oh, let's just cut through. It's got an elevator if you don't want to walk on stairs. And then more Serenity over here. So we are at the very front of the ship. Cloud9 Spa. Not much activity here today. You have to come through this way to get to the gym. So that's spa stuff. Now we're in the front of the ship. I believe we're on deck 12. And this is the exercise area, the gym. So we're back in the Dream Atrium. And I guess that's the end of our tour. So Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye. Bye. How'd you like that?